There were times when SpongeBob felt something wasn't right.
Sometimes, shadows moved before he did. Other times, everyone just stopped.
Or worse, things blinked after him.
Even the patties had their secrets. And when the lights went out, footsteps followed him everywhere.
Sometimes his own face betrayed him.
Patrick had his moments too.
The jellyfish fields weren't safe either.
Something kept closing in.
Even the formula watched him. Nothing stayed normal for long. Even Bubbles turned against him.
Gary wasn't helping.
Something lived in the walls.
And sometimes it was H.I.M. who turned creepy.
The food looked back.
He ran, but it followed.
And maybe it still does.